Good morning, friends. It's really quiet today. I just bouldered thrice in 1 week. I was just bouldering yesterday and we celebrated Wada's birthday yesterday as well. Now I just need silence. My roomie is out because she's with her family right now. Her family visited her and they're gonna be here for a week. So I'm gonna be alone and probably do a lot of cooking series the whole week or just study. So today I am craving so much for something spicy, something red. Kind of like a Korean dish. I don't honestly know what I'm about to do. I'm just gonna put gochujang, I guess, and tofu and some veggies and spam and rice and make something soupy. I want something soupy. So yeah, that's what we're making today. Taste test.
봐요.
네?
준비했으니까 네. 아무래도 준비한 음식이
Yes, I am studying right now. For not so finals, I am on the 4th lesson right now. Okay, so that is it, my friends. I am officially taking a break from studying because I got really hungry and also it's time for my kdrama. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys some progress. This is a real TMI. But I mean, I swear, it's so worth it. It's for future Akiko to watch. Not for all of you. You can just skip this part if you want. But oh my god, I built huge muscles. I built huge biceps and triceps now. I don't know why. My forearm is really strong as well. Like, it's full of muscle. It's not even fat anyway. It's just full of muscle because of climbing again. I have been climbing at least once a week and I have also been exercising in the gym. So it kind of goes alternately. From a flimsy arm like mine before and was full of fat and everything, to have this kind of arm in this short amount of time in just 2 weeks, it's crazy, man. Yeah, TMI, this is just for future Akiko reference again. But now let me cook some dinner. So you guys, I bought some tteokbokki yesterday from the Asian store and I was really craving for tteokbokki, so I thought of making this today, possibly with ramyeon, but I kind of don't want to be unhealthy. I want to continue my healthy streak, so I'm just gonna eat tteokbokki, I guess, and some veggies and some other things. I don't know what to eat yet, to be honest, but let me just try to cook this for now. Potatoes. Should I peel it? just letting this one boil. And now for the taste test. Here is my tteokbokki. itadakimasu. 잘 먹겠습니다. 오! 진짜 맛있어. 맛있다? 맛있다. Especially with the cheese and the tofu, wow. I shall now watch my kdrama. This one is so hard. So at first, I honestly thought of just reviewing at the library, but then I came across NGV, or the National Gallery of Victoria, and thought of just doing my studies here and probably eat my snacks / lunch, which I prepared this morning. It's sandwiches, and I'm so excited to eat them. Spam, lettuce, and mayo sandwich. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through my lecture notes and prepare for my exam. Okay, that reaction was so much, but oh my gosh, my friend got me. I got. Today I am going to make myself some chicken curry because I'm craving so much for Japanese food. So I've already cooked some rice from last night. We love leftovers. And I have my golden curry pack, chicken thighs. As for the veggies, I'm only going to use potatoes and carrots because that's the only thing I have. Now for the remaining taste test. Some potato with the rice first. Today's agenda is to just catch up with schoolwork after I work out and make dinner, or probably eat the curry rice that I made. And that's mostly it, you guys. That's a day in the life of a uni student. Good morning. So I am late for class and I'm literally holding my laptop. I have a presentation today and I must say I am not prepared. Dead. Woohoo! Hi! Wait up! Yes, I am videoing. Hi friends, so I have just arrived back in the city again. I left my friends already because unfortunately I have a meeting. I still have a lot of schoolwork to do, so fingers crossed I finish it as soon as possible so I can do my hobbies again, like climbing or working out. But yeah, more reflection about our trip today. So Buffing Billy was actually really nice. It was amazing. Overall today was really productive. Not productive but fun, and later on I'm just gonna go back to grinding again. So that's the plan for today, guys.
explain it. Oh, good love, it just feels right. Oh, baby, maybe you know what I mean. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but I swear Flinders Street at night is gorgeous. Look at that. And the reflection of the light, because it just rained. Amazing. It's so pretty.